A 19-story circular tower sitting at roundabout in Al Jadaf, 360-degree permanent views that no future building can ever block. 2 minutes from the metro station, 2 minutes from Dubai Design District, and 10 minutes from Burj Khalifa, and the payment plan where you only pay half before you get your keys. This is Bengati Raid, and today I'm going to break this down completely for you. Hi, I'm Kriya, your Dubai real estate expert. Today we are going to cover Bengati Raid, a brand new launch by Bengati developers. I'm going to walk you through the entire journey from developer, location, project details, pricing, payment plans, and why you should invest in this project, whether this is worth your money or not. Let's talk about Bengati. Bengati is one of the top developers in Dubai and has been in the market for more than 20 years. They have delivered more than 12,000 units across 80 towers with 95% plus on-time handover rate. They are also building very branded residences at the moment, such as Bengati Residences, Jacob & Co, and Mercedes-Benz City. Bengati Raid is located right in the heart of Al Jadaf, and let me show you where your next home is. So this is your DXB airport. Here is your downtown Burj Khalifa, this is your Palm Jumeirah, and here is going to be exactly your next home. So here is exactly where your plot resides. Let's see the neighborhood areas, what you are getting. Downtown Dubai, Burj Khalifa, Museum of Future, Meydan Race Course, Dubai Opera, everything is just 10 to 12 minutes away. Even you get metro station, which is just 2 minutes far. Come, let's see the show model and get to know more about this project. So this is the show model for the Bengati Raid. Let's talk about the configurations and what you are getting in the whole tower. At the ground floor, you are getting 34 retail spaces. Right after that, you have 4 podium level parking. At the podium level, you have 26 plus amenities and you get very big infinity pool. This is 19-story residential tower where you get 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 beds. Also about 3 beds, there is only exclusive 2 units in the whole tower for the 3 bedrooms. So if you're looking at buying 3 bedrooms, then you need to really act very fast.
The interiors follow what Bengati calls quiet luxury. Muted tones, premium materials, understand elegance. Double-heighted entry with features marble flooring, stone surfaces, walnut wood paneling, brass metal finishes, mesh mirror walls, and leather padding at the reception desk. It feels like a 5-star hotel arrival, not a residential building entrance. If we talk about the apartments, open plan layouts with floor-to-ceiling windows and continuous balconies that run the full length of the residence. Kitchens have Korean countertops and backsplashes with laminate cabinets. Apartment floors are porcelain tiled throughout. Every home is designed for maximum natural light and connection to the city. You get 26 plus resort style facilities such as outdoor pool deck, temperature controlled infinity pool, jacuzzi and shallow pool, sun deck with private cabanas, pool bar. Then if we talk about fitness, fully equipped gym with premium training technology, outdoor fitness area, yoga deck, professional on-site paddle court, half basketball court, walking track running the full perimeter of the project, family BBQ area, children's play area, kids pool and aqua splash zone. Moreover, on the ground floor you get 34 retail stores, cafes and landscape walkways. Studios starting from 800,000 dirhams, approximately 2 crores in Indian rupees and 220,000 US dollars. One bedroom starting from 1.3 million dirhams, approximately 3.3 crores and 355,000 US dollars. 2 bedrooms starting from 2.1 million dirhams, approximately 5.40 crores in Indian rupees and 570,000 US dollars. 3 bedroom royal suite, that is only 2 units in the entire tower, that would be 3.5 million dirhams, which is approximately 9 crores in Indian rupees and 955,000 US dollars.
Now let's understand the payment plan. The payment plan for this project is 50-50, where you pay 50% during construction and 50% at the time of handover. Now let me give you an example for 1 bedroom unit. If you're booking a 1 bedroom unit in Bengati Raid project, then you make a payment of 20% as a booking amount on day 1 and 30% you have to make a payment during construction till the handover. And the handover for this project is Q4 2027. After that, 50% can be easily mortgaged from the bank, which can be paid off from the rentals.
And here is the best part. Right now, the developer is offering 4% DLD waiver, which means you are saving on the Dubai Land Department registration fee that buyers would normally pay along with the 5,000 dirham admin charges. On top of that, properties starting from 750,000 dirhams can qualify for an investor visa, while properties valued at 2 million dirhams and above can qualify for a golden visa. For a limited time, the developer is also covering the visa costs, making this one of the strongest offers currently available in the market.
Now I'll tell you 5 reasons why you should invest in this project. Very first is the developer. Since developer has a track record for delivering more than 12,000 units across 80 towers and has been in collaboration with branded residences such as Bugatti Residences, Jacob & Co and Mercedes-Benz Cities, which means that developer is holding a very great value in terms of delivering projects in Dubai. Second, there is many developments that are coming by government of Dubai in this location. Specifically, Jadaf is one of the great locations when it comes to strategic location, since it sits right between North Dubai and the financial hub of Business Bay. When we talk about the location from Jadaf, you can easily reach between 10 to 12 minutes in Business Bay. However, if you want to go to the old Dubai, you can still reach within 10 to 12 minutes. There are many more developments that are coming in future, such as Etihad Rail, Express Rail connectivity and Blue Line metro stations. Now, these upgrades and infrastructure is going to give more accessible points for the people to travel across UAE, and this will also appreciate the value of the property that resides in Jadaf. However, you also get a very good ROI along with it. Now, there is last but not least, Deva headquarters is already ready, which is going to create 4,000 plus jobs in this location, as well as there is another big technological district which will create 4,000 plus jobs. So overall 9,000 plus jobs are going to create in this location, which will bring a lot of inflow of people into nearby areas. Now all these people would need residences into this area. However, in Jadaf there is not enough supply of residences. Even in next 2 years there are 3,000 delivery of residential units is coming, which is still lesser than the population and the job creation that is going to be in this area. Bengati Raid launched in June 2026. Previous launches from Bengati in Al Jadaf such as Coast, Cullinan, everything sold out within weeks. Availability moves fast with this developer, specifically in this location. So my WhatsApp number is in the description. Message me, tell me your budget and what are you looking for, net yield or capital growth, and I'll come back to you with all the details, floor plans, brochure and anything that you need. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe and share it with anyone who is looking at Dubai real estate. This is me, Kriya, signing off. See you in the next one.